Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Export Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao. Today in this topic, we are going to discuss about the bill-wise entries in Tally Prime 6.1. So before entering into the topic, a request to you, everyone entering into my channel and watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all so that you will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel, and also share my channel with others, right? Another very important thing is everyone watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will understand the topic up to that point only. The balanced topic you cannot understand. Okay, so if necessary, you can watch the video more number of times so that you will get a very good knowledge of the topic. And also, I work out some examples or illustrations or problems, and I will show some examples in my video. So all these examples or illustrations or any problems, you practice them in Tally Prime many number of times so that then you will get the expert knowledge relating to this topic. Okay, now, and after watching till the end, if the video is good, please like the video. If you like the video, the YouTube people will share this video to many people so that many people can watch this video and learn this topic. Now, entering into the topic. So, actually, I am sharing the screen. What is meant by bill-wise entries or bill-wise details means, so every business dealing with goods or services, they will be selling the goods or services. Selling services means providing services is called selling services. And also purchasing the goods or purchasing services means receiving the services. So for that, the supplier of goods or services will issue invoice. Bill is called as simply bill, called as invoice. And the seller will issue the invoice and the buyer will enter in the purchase voucher and the seller will enter in the sales voucher. Okay. In that case, so whenever we are purchasing the goods or selling the goods, we have to record what are the bill numbers we are purchasing. Similarly, what are the bill numbers? For the sales, what are the bill numbers of the sales? And also, what are the bill numbers for the services purchases? And all these bill numbers should be saved. And then when the payment is made, when you purchase, we make the payment to the supplier. So when you are making the payment, so which bill amount we are paying, that is, it is called as against which bill we are paying the payment. So that bill amount is to be adjusted. The amount paid is to be adjusted against the particular bill. Similarly, when you are receiving from the customers, so he will pay against a particular bill. So you have to adjust the amount against the bill for which he paid the money. Like that, when you are making the payments, that amount will be adjusted against the particular bills. And when the new purchase or sale are made, the new bills are saved, the new bills are saved. This is called as bill-wise details. So when you are selling the goods, we have to save the bill number. When you are purchasing the goods, we have to save the bill. We have to save the bill number, and all these bill numbers saved will be pending till the amount is paid. And when the amount is paid by the buyer to the supplier, the amount will be adjusted by the payer, the person paying, that is the debtor, as well as the creditor against particular bills for which the amount is paid. So this is called as how this is done. So example I will show you. See here. And when the new bill is, so the bill-wise details will be, that is bill-wise adjustment of the bills will be 4 options, that is shown as advance, against reference, new reference on account. This is shown in the tally because it is shown in the alphabetical order. But we discuss and we use them. I'll show you. We use them in this order. We use them in this order. That is, we use in this order. That is, First, we use new reference. When the amount is sold or purchased, the goods are sold or purchased, then only payment will be made. So first occurrence will be new reference. That is new bill we will enter. It is called as new reference, against reference, then advance, on account. First of all, in this video, we deal with the first two, new reference and against reference. Means when the new entry is made, against when the new invoice number is entered when you purchase, the seller's invoice number will be entered in our purchase voucher. When you sell, our sales invoice number will be there in the sales voucher. So that first purchase and sale is taking place, that is recorded for the first time, is called the new bill is recorded. It is called new reference means bill. So against new reference or new bill will be recorded. And that new bill which is recorded, the amount will be pending till the amount is paid. So all the bills, any number of bills, new bills, they will be pending. They are called as pending bills. And when the payment is made by the buyer to the seller, so the amount will be adjusted against the pending bills. So that is called as against reference, against the pending bill. Reference means bill, against reference is against a particular bill. So against a particular bill, we are making the payment. That is, payment is made. That is why it is called as against reference. So I will show you a small example. See, in this case, so we'll go to Krishna Enterprises or we go to Ranga Electronics. So in this case, so go to the entries. So you see here, in this case, I'll show you one more thing. I will show you. Okay. So here, these are the purchases and sales. So we'll take the purchases. So Sunny Enterprises, we purchased goods for 5 lakhs. Okay. 5 lakhs we purchased. When we purchase this, so here, this is called as, I'll tell you. So the new bill and new entry for that new reference, and for payment of that, we'll called as no debit note purchase sales. Okay. So here purchasing. So in this case, so here when you accept this, accept, and purchase done, made all the items, and at the end, when the amount is accepted, it will ask you the bill wise details. So it will ask you the bill wise details. So when new bill is entered, it is called as new reference. So by default, it will take new reference for the new bill. New reference, and the bill number is, see, when you purchase, it is the bill number is 1010. This is to be taken supplier invoice number 9. If you don't give this, it will take 1, but it is wrong. Separate, each supplier will give different name, different number invoice. So here, a new reference 1010, amount is 5 lakhs. So this is called the new reference when the purchase is made. Similarly, when the sales are made, RK sales. So in this case also, so this is the sales invoice number. It's in the case of purchases, separate supplier invoice number you have to enter. In the case of sales, the sales voucher number itself is the invoice. We can make that number in a different format also, that we have. So RK traders. So here RK traders. So coming here and selling all this, and at the end, when the sales voucher is accepted, it will ask you the bill wise details for the RK traders, for the person, and new reference is the new bill, new reference. So reference bill is number 1. So 1,20,000. This is called at the time of this purchase and sale. This is the new reference. Okay. When the amount is paid. For example, we purchased from Sunny Enterprises on 1st April. For example, on 1st May, we make the payment. Okay, we are making the payment. So we have to make entry that is Sunny Enterprises. So voucher, we will make the payment. When we are making the payment, so we will make the 1st May payment on 1st May. 1st May, Sunny Enterprises, we are making the payment. So in this case, so the balance is 4,30,000 rupees. Amount is that is purchases are made, some returns are also made. So that is the balance. So for example, we are making 5 lakhs means we are making 1 lakh. We are making the payment. So 1 lakh means here. So we are making the payment against the pending bill. That is, when the bill is saved, it will be pending till the end, till the amount is paid. So when the amount is paid, against a particular pending bill, we are making the payment. That is why against reference, against which bill you are making the payment. Here if we show, the pending bills will be shown here 5 lakhs. See, 1 lakh 10 number, 1010 number, date and amount. And in this case, it will take the exact amount which you are paying 1 lakh. So now if you make 1 lakh payment, so total 5 lakhs bill and 1 lakh you are paying, balance 4 lakhs will be still pending till the next payment. If you make payment of all the 5 lakhs, then the bill will be closed. And we are making the payment against difference, and we are making the payment through bank, for example, to State Bank of India, because big amount we are making through State Bank of India bill, that is the check number 123456, big amount. Like that, we are making the payment. And also similarly, when we sell the goods, we receive the payment. Again, 2nd May, I think 2nd May, we are receiving the payment from the credit debtor. So we will take up some debtor. See, RK Traders. So RK Traders is a debtor. 85,000 rupees is the balance. For example, we are receiving 85,000. That means total amount is received. The balance will be closed. See, if the total amount against reference, against this particular bill, 85,000 is the balance, means 1,20,000 is the bill, and 85,000 means some amount is returned. So we'll take up 85,000 rupees the bill. Okay, see. So balance is 0. Balance is 0 means return is 85,000 is the amount. So 85,000, 1,20,000, out of that some returns are made. The balance is 85. Now we are making the payment of 85,000. So balance becomes 0. Bill is closed. We are making the payment. So receipt you are showing, sorry. From seller, it is payment we are making for a receipt only. For seller, buyer, supplier, we are making payment. Now we are receiving money. So against this, so now we are making payment also against State Bank of India, 85,000. So receipt, this is receipt. First of all, we paid money, so it is showing a negative balance. Now we received money, now it is showing a debit balance. So like this, we will make the entry. This is called as new reference and expense. For that, we have some problem. So I created some, this one, we have a problem. This is, so bill-wise entry. So I created a company, bill-wise entries. And what to do first of all? For this, first of all, what to do is, so whatever work you want to do, so we have to make we have to enable the feature. For what is the work to be done? Feature you have to enable. How that work is done, it is shown in the, not to call F12 feature, F12 configuration. It will show how to work, how to do the work. F11, what work to be done. So in this case, go to this one. When the company is created, or an existing company, when the company is created, we will go, after creating, directly to go to company features. In the case of an existing company, we have to press F11. We will go to the company features. In this case, so here, accounts, maintain accounts, yes. Inventory is there, that is made, yes. And tax for the timing, tax is not required. That's all. So these are all enabled. But now we have to enable the bill-wise entry. So first, second one is enable bill-wise entry. You have to make yes, accept. If you accept that, and if you enable the bill-wise entry, maintain accounts and bill-wise entry, and when you are creating the party accounts, debtors and creditors, when you are creating the debtors and creditors accounts, so the bill-wise entry option will be shown in the debtors and creditors. For example, we'll take a debtor, see, Anil Trader, debtors, after creating that, after the group, and the option will be shown, maintain balance bill by bill. So there will be 3 options. All the 3 options, totally they are called as bill-wise details. First of all, for the time being, we will take up this bill-wise entry only, new reference and against reference, and also other thing. And these 2 we will take up in the default credit period, and this we will take up in the next video. So now we are taking only the bill-wise entry. That is bill-wise entry we are taking. So it is yes. Okay. Now we have to calculate. So now every debtor and creditor, it will be shown. That option will be shown. Sometimes any debtor and creditor. So this will be shown. Sometimes even though debtor or creditor, even though we enabled that feature, enable bill-wise entry in F11 company features, we enabled. Even though we enabled that, this maintain balance bill by bill, the bill-wise details option will not be shown sometimes. Why? Because so there will be another option in F12 also, in configuration also. We enable the feature in F11 features, and in F12 company what you call configuration also there is one option. So here the same name, maintain balance bill by win. If it is also will be yes. By suppose if it is no, so after that group the bill wise details we see here, we enabled this feature. Still, even though we enabled that, this is not showing. That is why you have to go to, if it is not showing, go to F12. So maintain balance bill by bill, you make it yes. That is, you activate this option, then it will show. Okay, like that. Okay, like that I created all the data and data. So given all the data, these four I created, and some more new accounts are coming, new ledgers. Okay, now first of all, when you purchase, so when you purchase, new reference, purchase or sale, new reference will come. And when you make a payment or against the bills, pending bills, then receipts and payments, the against reference will be shown. These two we will take up. First of all, so forget about these numbers, you forget GST numbers because GST we disabled. And also this credit days, I told you now, there is an option. So there are some other options in addition to this. In addition to this one we are discussing about. These two will be discussed later. So this is related to this one. These days, this you forget that. Okay, we are here. So first of all, we are making the purchase. All the ledgers I created. So 1425. So go to vouchers, and also I created ledgers I created. Okay, and I created the stock items also. I created 3, and unit I created, and for stock items I created groups also. AC machines, one group, and televisions, one group. So AC machines and television. This is AC machine, these are television. Suppose the computers are there, you can create another group, computers also. Okay, right. Now go to voucher. In this case, these are all purchases. Go to F9 purchases. Suppose previously if you made any entry with accounting invoice mode, so now also it will show accounting invoice mode only. So you change it to item invoice because we are dealing with inventory. Now date is 1/4. So 1/4 we are making the date. 1/4, don't bother about these numbers because previously I made entries for the Telugu and some other English also we made. Now here first of all you will take up 1425. So 1425. So the bill number is 301. 301 and the date is 14. So automatically the voucher is taking. If this date is not the voucher date, then you have to give the bill date here. Okay, now the purchase from whom? Rahul Electronics. So Rahul Electronics I am calculating. So Rahul Electronics, I enable the bill wise details. Okay, Rahul Electronics, accept, accept. Purchase you are making. Purchase what you purchased. See here, Sony TV 20 inches, 2 numbers, 21,000. So Sony TV 20 inches. See the balances are already, some balance are there. So don't bother about that. So Sony TV 20 inches we sold, we purchased. So 2 numbers 21,000 each. 2 numbers 21,000 each. Sorry, 2,10,000. So it is 21,000 each one over. So if there is another item, we will enter that and then go down to the next to the total, then come down here when it is accepted. So purchase invoice number, supply invoice number 5301. So it will ask you the bill wise details for this person, new reference because new bill, new reference 301, 42,000. 42,000. Okay, next. Second one. Next one is second. If you press F2, the next date will be shown. We require next date only. If you require third, we have to type 3, 4. Otherwise, continue this number. Compute this date. Now, bill number is 325. 325 and the date is 2/4 only. Okay, come down. Again, the same person, Rahul Enterprises, accept, purchases. We purchased again 20 inches, Sony TV, 3 numbers. So Sony TV 20 inches, 3 numbers at same price 21,000. 21,000 we purchase. Come down. Here. So against new reference, the new reference is 325. Okay. Reference is 325 and then 15. So then 15. So we purchase from Ranga Enterprises. Bill number is 11. So bill number is 11. 15. Name is Ranga Enterprises. Ranga Enterprises, for this also I enable the bill wise details. Ranga Enterprises, accept. See here, for the purchases, so below the receipt details, receipt means receipt of goods. The order details required because for cash sales or cash purchases, we have to give the mode or terms of payment. That's why we have to enable the this one from F12. Okay. Order details for purchases, the order details will be shown on the left side. So for sales, the order details will be shown on the right side. For cash sales, mode of payment, cash or check, we have to give. For credit sales, automatically we give or may not give. Term of payment, number of days, that will come later. Okay. And then accept purchases. What we purchase from Ranga, 30 inches, 5 numbers. So Sony TV, 30 inches, 5 numbers we purchased. Each one is 24,000. So 24,000, that's only one item. And then accept. New reference is bill number 11. So bill number 11, 1,21,000. Okay. Okay. Over. 1 minute. I'll check up whether there is any already entries are there. Oh, already entries are there. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll check up. Okay. Now, next voucher you will take up. Next one is we completed up to Ranga. Next to 2nd May. So next we will take up 2 May. 2nd May we will take up. 2nd May number is Ranga over. Next 2nd May. Bill number is 23. Bill number is 23. 2nd May. And the name is Aruna TV Shopee. So Aruna TV Shopee. So this bill wise details enabled. Okay. And then purchase, accept. Then purchases. What we purchased Aruna TV Shopee, 20 inches, one number. So Sony TV, 20 inches, one number we purchased at 20,000 rupees. So 20,000 rupees. If it is the same amount, we will continue that. The amount is different. We have to change to 20,000. Now the bill number is 23. So new reference 23. Okay, it's completed. Then 16. Then 16 is the date. 16. The bill number is 16. Rahul Enterprise again 371 bill number. So now date is bill. The entry date is 16. But here the bill number is 371. Date is 31/5. So I have to give 31/5 here. Automatically it will take the voucher date. It will take. But if the date is different, you have to change. So Rahul Electronics, accept. Purchases. What we purchased, Rahul Electronics, 30 inches 2. So Sony TV, 30 inches 2 we purchased. Each one 23,000. So 23,000 rupees we purchased. So bill number is 371. So new reference 371. Then 26. Then 26 we are making the purchase. Bill number is 250. 250 and the date is 26 only, 2nd June. So we purchased from Raghavendra and Co. So Raghavendra and Co. bill wise details enabled. So purchase, accept, purchase. What we purchased, Raghavendra and Co. Godrej AC machine 5 tons, 5 numbers. So Godrej AC machine 1 ton, 5 numbers, each one 30,000. 30,000 we purchased, 1,50,000, and the bill number is 250. New reference 250. Okay. So these are all purchases we made. Forget these dates. And then sales we are making. So sales we are making. So now we'll go to F8. So our sales voucher date itself is the sales voucher date. Voucher number itself is the invoice number. So here, first, here invoice numbers are not given. So that serial number will come 17 to 80. Actually, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But here, so previously we made some entries. That's why it was 17. Now, 1,425. So sales 1,4 we have to take. Whom we said we sold to Anil Radios. Anil Radios is the debtor. So debtors also we enable the bill wise entries. Accept, bill number, accept. We are making sales. So sales ledger we created, and we sold Sony TV 2 inches, 2 numbers, 25,000 each. So Sony TV 20 inches, 2 number, 25,000 each. So 25,000 each we sold 50,000, and the invoice number is the sales voucher number. That is the invoice number. So come accept this. So new reference, the number 17, invoice number 17. Okay. Then come down to second 24. Go to 24. we sold to Aruna Electricals. Aruna Electricals is also a debtor. Aruna Electricals. For this also all I enabled all the deal wage features. So sales ledger we will take up, and what we sold to Aruna Electricals, 30 inches one number. So Sony TV 30 inches one number we sold. That one number is for 28,000 rupees. So 28,000 accept, invoice number is 18. So new reference is 18. Okay. Then on the same 2nd April, again we sold to Anil Radios, Sony TV 20 inches. So Anil Radios, we sold, accept sales, Sony TV 20 inches we sold, again one number 25,000, one number 25,000 we sold, invoice number 19, that is bill voucher number is 19, that is the invoice number 19, new reference. Okay. And then 15, then 15 we sold to 15 we sold to Star TV World. Star TV World. This is also a data. Bill wise details are enabled. So sales, what we sold, 30 inches, 2 numbers. So Sony TV, 30 inches, 2 numbers, each at 30 GB, each at 28,000. So 28,000 we sold because the amount is there, because previous entries are made for this party. So it is saying the same amount. So if it is same amount, we can take that amount. If you want to, if it is different price, different rate, we have to change it. Then bill number is 20. So new reference is 20. Okay. New reference is 20. Then again 25. Now 25. If you take 25, we sold to Anil Radios again. Anil Radios, accept, and then Sony TV 30 inches, 2 numbers. So sorry, sales, we are making sales. Sony TV 30 inches, 2 numbers we sold at the rate of 27,000. 27,000, accept, bill number is 21. Okay, new reference 21. Then the next one is 25, then 31.5. Then 31.5 we sold to Ramakrishna. This is an individual, that is individual. We made cash sales. So here we have to write. So it is not a credit bill. So we should not enter Ramakrishna. We have to enter cash. But here, as I told you, in the case of purchases, bill wise details, order details will be shown this side. In the case of sales, order details will be shown this side. Since it is a cash account, so cash bill, so we have to give the name of the party. So to indicate that it is a cash bill, the mode of terms of payment for credit bill. Mode of payment is for cash bill. So we are given as cash. That is why we have to give cash here. We have to give cash, except the same cash given here will come here. We have to give the name. Who is the person is Ramakrishna. So Ramakrishna already created. So Ramakrishna we give. So we can simply we can enter Ramakrishna here and we can give all the details here. If you give all the details, this entry will be, this name and address details will be for this voucher only. It will not be created in the master. So even here also, if you go to Alt C and create that party, give the details, and it will be there in the masters. Next time also you will get it. Okay. Sales, how much you sold? Sony TV 20 inches. Sony TV 20 inches. We sold one number for 25,000. 25,000 rupees. Invoice number 22. So here, in the case of cash purchase or cash sale, no billing bill will be pending, because when you are purchasing, we are paying cash. When you sell, we are getting cash. So the bill will not be pending. So bill wise details will not be available. Bill wise details means new reference till the amount is paid, it will be pending bill. But here no pending bill here. That is why no bill wise details for cash transaction. Even though give the name of the party inside, that is given for the purpose of invoice, making the invoice, and for the purpose of GST reports and GST filing. That is why here cash and sales only. For cash bill, no bill wise details for purchases or sales. Okay. And then next one, Mohit 16. Now we sold to 16 we sold to Mohit Enterprises. So sorry, Mohit Enterprises, accept, sales, we sold to Godrej AC machine, 1 ton, 2 numbers. So Godrej AC machine, 1 number, two numbers. 2 numbers we sold at 35,000 rupees. 35,000 rupees sold, accept, invoice number is, that is sales number is, voucher number is 23, the same invoice number, new reference is 23. Okay. And then again on 2/6 we sold again to Anil Radios. So Anil Radios we sold, accept, we sold 30 inches, two numbers. So Sony TV 30 inches, two numbers, sold at 28,000. 28,000, number is 24. So new reference is 24. Like that, we made all the sales. Totally, how much you made? See, purchase and sales 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14 are the total transactions. You see here from the beginning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So all the 14 transactions are really completed. And now in between in the same dates, so we will be making the payment to the suppliers or we will getting the receipt from the debtors or the customers. So for that also you have to make. This is called all new reference. When you are making the payment to others or receiving from customers, that amount is called as against reference, against the pending bills. All these new reference bills, they are pending till they are paid. That is why they are called as pending bills. So against the pending bills, we will make the payment or we'll get the receipt. So against reference you have to take. Now we'll go to voucher. We'll go to vouchers, and in this case, receipt or payment, whatever it may be, date is 1/6, received from Anil Radios. Out of the 4 pending bills, payment of 1 bill. So number is not given. You can check up there because then pending bill numbers will be shown. Okay. So 1/6 you'll take up. Received from them. So we go to receipt and date is 1/6. So 1/6 we are receiving the money from whom? From Anil Radios. So Anil Radios when at getting, so entering, and the total amount is 1,85,000 is the balance, is a debtor. And what is the amount you are receiving? 50,000 against one bill. If you receive for, when you are receiving a amount, as per the party's instruction, we have to adjust against the given bill given by them. So this amount is related to that bill. So that only you have to do. If it is not given, we can adjust to any bill. We can adjust to any bill. First bill we will adjust. Then second bill, like the bill wise, date wise bills, we will adjust if nothing is given. If they give instructions, so this amount is against so and so bill. So we have to adjust against that bill only. So 50,000 is given. Now here there are many transactions with Anil Radios. That is why if you give, all the pending bills list will be shown. So if you enter here, see here. So this is method of adjustment, advance and against reference, new reference. These two will learn later. New reference we completed. Now against reference, if you click, all the pending bills will be shown. Another window will come. This is method of adjustment. Again, how you are adjusting new bill or existing bill, like that. New bill or old bill. So now if we give, the list will be displayed. Pending bills, so all the numbers will be displayed. And then first of all, so he paid 50,000 rupees. So nothing is given. 4 bills are pending. 3 bills only, not 4 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4. One is I missed, I think. 54, 50, 25, 25, 54, and 56. It is 2/6 is pending. 2/6, I don't think it is not given. I'll check up. So 2/6, Rahul no, sorry. 2/6, I have not made the entry, I think. 2/6, Anil Radios is there. Anil Radios sales, we have entered this invoice number 24. So 24 accepted. Now it will show the also. So we are receiving the money on 1/6. Anil Radios, we are receiving 50,000 rupees. And against bill, only 3 are showing. I don't know why. I'll check up later. Okay. Against that, so here we have 50,000 rupees. Nothing, amount is not given. We will take up from the beginning. So first bill, see date wise. 1st April, 2nd April, 2nd May. So 1st April we will take up. The amount is the same amount. So full amount is made. If you make the payment or receipt of full amount, the bill will be closed. The other bills will only displayed as pending. If some part of the amount is paid or received, so that amount will be adjusted and the balance amount will be shown as pending in the next transactions. Okay, taking 15. So invoice number 17. Invoice number 17. Amount is received 50,000. Then we received it cash, for example. We'll take cash. So being cash received. So this is received. Okay. The next one. 1/6 same date. Payment to our supplier Rahul Electronics. So we are making the payment F5 on the same date. We are making payment to Rahul Electronics. So we are making payment. The payment is due is creditor 1,51,000. So we are making payment of 60,000 rupees total amount. We are making payment of 60,000 rupees. He gave instruction given by them. We are given instruction. We paid against a particular bill. So 371 full. We paid 46,000. 325 14,000. Okay. So 371. If you click that, so against reference, all the bills are shown. So we are making payment against 371 46,000. So 371 amount is 46. So making the full payment. So this will be closed. 46,000. Still against reference again another one is 325 14,000. 14,000. 325 is 63,000. We are making payment of 14,000. That means balance 49,000 will be available, will be shown. 49 and 42 will be pending. So pending amount. And here I have to show you one thing. So we are making payment. So here is given anything. So here nothing is given. So it is we are taking as bank. So State Bank of India 60,000. If you take cash amount will be shown. So here State Bank of India means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are making the first payment, giving the bill number and enter. Okay, this is all. And next one is received for Star TV World 26. Date is 26. We received. So receipt means F6 received from Star TV World. So from Star TV World, we received the balance is for 56,000 rupees. Here, out of that, received 25,000 against the amount due. Total amount due is this one and received by Union Bank of India check. Okay, so we are receiving 25,000. So here if we click against reference, it will show the bill, only one bill. All the bills will be displayed. Here there is only one bill. It is showing 56,000 and it is taking 25,000. Sometimes here, sometimes, so when you enable the bill-wise entry feature in F11, that is features, but still in the party, sometimes it will not show. We have to go to F12, we have to show maintain balance bill by bill, we have to make it. Similarly here, when you select the against reference, all the pending bills list will be shown. Sometimes, so this method of adjustment will be shown. If we select this against reference, see for example, against reference, see. So if we check against reference, we select, so bill list, pending bill list will not be shown. Something happens. That means the another option will be there in F12 that is not activated. For example, generally it will be activated. If the details are not shown, means it is not activated. In such as come back here after this amount, go to F12, see this. Show list of bills, list of all the pending bills. Show the list of pending bills for selecting against which bill you are paying. So for selecting, we have to enable this option. Show list of bills, make it yes. Now if you see against reference, so whatever the number of bills, all the bills will be shown. We are making only, see here, we received from Star TV only 25,000. So 25,000 we are receiving. The balance 56 minus 25 is 29,000 rupees will be the balance that will be shown. If you received all the total amount, so the bill will be closed. Okay, enter. And State Bank of India we are receiving, and State Bank of India we are receiving means here. So received for deposit in our bank, transaction check, and here we are receiving means the check number. His check number you have to give. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be 6 digits. That means in the beginning there will be 0. And when the bank also his check is from his bank name you have to give. So here we have to display here. In the case of licensed version, all the banks will be displayed. Otherwise, click the space bar. So specify bank we have to give. What is the bank name? Union Bank of India. Union Bank of India. So accepted. Okay. And then this is okay. And the next one is we 9,000 rupees paid to Rahul Electronics on 1/7. So 1/7 we made payment. F5 Rahul Electronics we paid 49,000 rupees. That is the amount of one bill paid in 14,000 out of 63. The balance is there. Against reference, you see the 325 bill number is given here. 325 bill number is given here. say 325 bill number. Even if it has given 49th, we check up. So 325, totally 63. We paid 14. Okay, so 49 is pending. Accept, correct this. Now this is also closed. Only 42,000 rupees will be pending. So received, and this is also payment we made. We made payment means this is our bank. We'll give our check number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is given. Now we are giving 4, 5, 7 being cash paid. First to July. That's all. So this is about the receipt and payment, that is against reference. So we completed new reference, purchase and sale, and payment and receipt against reference. Then in the next video we will take up advanced reference and on account. Okay, so with this I am closing the session. So we will meet in the next video. All the best. Bye. Good night.